Yizzo, Yizzo, what's up, YouTube? We back out here with another episode of God Stuff. So today it's about 38 degrees. Ain't too bad out. I layered up. The little lake look a little frozen today, but that's cool. We just popping out, doing some riding around. Ain't staying out too long. Then I'm heading back to the storage shop because it's supposed to snow tonight. Little bike trail. Starting to get that drop back a little bit more. Starting to realize I just got to start using some strength to pick it up because it's not all that good. Some cars around. See what's over here. Yeah, that lake is pretty frozen. Lake is pretty frozen. Doing some little off-road. Little off-road. Yeah, man, like I said, pretty cool day out. Do a little riding around, a little off-road. Really don't take this off-road. We're gonna do that today. See how it holds up. Now, 30, 35 miles per hour, it ain't bad off-road, but really not ideal for the street, for me at least, because I like to be able to overtake cars and stuff when I'm ready to. So, always gotta remember that much. A little bit of dropping back for you. Back, y'all. Heading back, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cold. Told Baby Mom meet me at the storage spot, so that's what we heading to. I'll catch y'all in a second, but like always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. All you gotta do is like and subscribe, and you already know.